Welcome to our guide on integrating Xobin with Manatal. This video will showcase how this integration will help you streamline your hiring workflow effortlessly. Let's get started. Open the Xobin platform, head over to the dashboard's bottom left corner menu, and click on Settings. Now, from the top navigation bar, select Integrations. Here you'll see a list of available integrations. Click on Manatal. You'll now see a field where you can insert the API key. Next, go to your Manatal dashboard, click on Administration, then head over to Features. Under Features, select Open API and look for Xobin. Here you'll find your Xobin Assessments API key. Copy this key. Now return to the Xobin platform and paste the copied API key into the input field. Click Save. You've successfully connected your Manatal account with Xobin. You'll now see a button titled Link Manatal Jobs to Assessments. Click on it. Select the relevant job from Manatal and map it to the corresponding Xobin assessment. Once done, click Save Mappings. Now, in the Manatal platform, go to your Jobs section. Move your shortlisted candidates to the Xobin assessment stage. Once candidates complete their assessment, Xobin will automatically send you their test reports and notifications right within Manatal. Then select the candidate you want the info about. Click on Notes. Select the role, and you will find the info about the report of the candidate. Simply click on the View Report option. That's it. Your integration is live and working. You can now enjoy a seamless recruitment workflow between Xobin and Manatal. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you have any doubts, comment down below, and please like and subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you do not miss our latest videos.